What's up, everybody? Today I'm just gonna make a quick breakfast. Nice low carb tortilla, some leftover sausage and mushrooms that I had from my pizza. I'll put a link in the description for that video as well. And some eggs. So just a quick little breakfast burrito, super low carb. Perfect, let's get into it. Alright, so basically it's pretty simple. We're gonna do 2 eggs. I'm gonna scramble these. I'm gonna have some shredded sharp cheddar. We're gonna use 1 low carb tortilla. May season with some salt, some onion powder. I have some homemade green chili salsa here. And I have leftover sausage and mushrooms that I made when I made my pizza. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below. So we're just gonna reheat that, kind of make a quick little burrito. Nothing too fancy today. So we'll just crack 2 eggs, do a quick whip. I like to put in some heavy whipping cream as well. Always just to kind of fluff up the egg. Alright, with our eggs done, we're going to go ahead and set aside for a minute. I have the stove going right now, and we're going to go ahead and just reheat our sausage and mushrooms. Next, I just take a little bit of cilantro, not much, just a little bit. I'm going to keep this aside as a garnish. We're going to do the same thing, a little bit of green onion. Now we'll go check on the sausage. Alright, now with my green chili salsa, I like to have this a little hot, so I'm just going to go ahead and dump some out. And we'll give that a stir. Alright, so our sausage is done, so we're just going to go ahead and put this on a plate for right now. Kind of lower our heat down a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and put some butter into this pan to get our tortilla going. While our sausage is hot, we're just going to go ahead and shred some cheddar on top. Alright, so I'm just going to put our tortilla on our cutting board, and we're going to go ahead and get these eggs transferred over. Alright, so this is a lot of sausage, so we could probably make a couple of these. I'm just going to make one for myself. And we'll garnish with some of the cilantro and green onions. And I like to top it with some chipotle sauce. And there you have it. So it's essentially 1 egg and a little sausage. So I have enough left over. We can make a second one, but that's a little carb heavy. So if I'm still hungry after and I don't have anybody around, I might just eat the rest of the egg and the leftover sausage here. Alright, so this is a perfect low carb breakfast. We got our sausage, cheese, green onions, some cilantro, a little bit of homemade green chili salsa, a low carb tortilla, and 1 egg. So a 6-gram total net carb breakfast. And that's it for today, guys. So once again, thanks for watching. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment below if there's any other foods you guys would like me to cook, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.